Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Thursday, July 31st. Markets finished according to Hoyle yesterday. The usual routine. E-mini S&P was positive 1965 up 2, relatively unchanged, essentially unchanged in the cash market. 1974.5 was the high, 1956.5 was the low, so it ended up coming off those lows one more time. Following the rules, we had the Dow down 24, 16,821 as the week's sister, and the Nasdaq led the way, up nearly 0.5% at 3968.5, up 16, within striking distance to the all-time highs right there in the Nasdaq tech shares. The dollar surged another 20 points, 81.52, continues to be strong, knocking the euro currency down below 134 now at 133.93, down 18, as this slide just continues with no bounce at all in the euro currency. The bond market had a nice unwinding yesterday. It was down 1 and 14 30 seconds. 137.16 was the closing price there, as now there's talk of raising rates at some point, we all know. Crude oil was down 75 cents at $100.25 a barrel, and gold backed off $4 with that strength in the dollar, $12.97. So keep an eye on 1,300 on a weekly basis. So after a steady day, following the market's pattern yesterday, where do things stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're off. We're down 0.75% here right now in the futures as we stand at 1954, down 11 in the E-mini S&P, down 84 in the Dow futures, 16,737, and down 24.5 in the Nasdaq at 39.44. The dollar index is up another 5 ticks at 81.57, knocking the euro down 5 at 133.88. Bonds right now are steady at 137.16. The yield on the 30-year treasuries at 3.30, and most importantly, that pivot, that 2.5 pivot, we're back above that on the 10-year note. We're at 2.55 on the 10-year note yield as we stand right now. Crude oil is pushed below $100 a barrel. We're at 99.50, down 75 cents. And gold steady, up down 50 cents actually at 12.96.5. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're off overnight, down 0.75% at 1954 in the E-mini S&P, and we're now 30 points away from the all-time highs again just last Thursday. So let's remember that it's been a week since the all-time forever highs. Dow futures are down 84 as we stand right now. I will see you early morning Friday after the unemployment numbers come out to give you your morning market stir. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.